The best time to change your furnace is prior to the season. So traditionally we get into our November, December is your climate when the furnace is going to be used the most. So September, October is an ideal time to be looking around, having someone come in, proper professional estimators, coming in and give you written quotes, going over what the job would entail, and you kind of beat the rush. You will not be stuck in a dire strait making a last minute decision on a Friday night, trying to get someone to get your home up and going by Saturday. You do want to be proactive with this. I don't recommend waiting until an appliance breaks down. The appliance life is going to be 10 to 15 years, and regular scheduled maintenance is a great indicator as to if there's a sign of decay and you're finding that the furnace does start to age. You're noting the CO reading will continue to increase over the years, or an extensive grocery list of replacement parts.